kitchen. And if you have summer fruits, I'll show you how to use them in a good way for snacks. Let's get cooking. Today I'll be making melon kebabs and apple delight. First I'll be making apple delight. What we need for apple delight are some apples, or sliced apples, but just one apple, some chocolate wafers in a bowl, peanut butter, and a spoon. Wait, one more thing. I'll microwave. The first step is you're going to want to microwave around 12 wafers. I'm going to put the chocolate wafers in for 40 seconds, and then take it out, mix it a little bit, and then put it in for 20 more seconds, and then add the peanut butter. Dance fun time. Gonna do a little mix. And when you first take it out, it's gonna look like the regular wafers, but when you mix it, it looks like chocolate. Well, it was chocolate before. So mix it a little bit. Don't have the spoon in the bowl, and I'm gonna put it in for 20 seconds. You're gonna wanna get a new spoon. Get about 2 scoops, or actually 1 scoop of chocolate. And I meant peanut butter. Mix the peanut butter with the chocolate. So it's like a drizzle. Now get a plate. It's better if you use a paper plate because if it sticks, you'll just be able to throw it out. But if you use a regular plate, it'll stick and it's hard to get off. Just throw the apples on. Drizzle it on. These look so good. No, I have leftover chocolate. Oh, I have an idea. These are fresh picked strawberries. Get another plate. Well, first. I'm gonna put the strawberries with chocolate in the fridge. I just took them out of the fridge, and the chocolate's nice and hard. And try one. Good. Then you'll need the cantaloupe, honeydew, and watermelon. And also kebab sticks. You'll need to soak them in water for about 30 minutes so they won't get splintered. So you use a melon ball like this. You put it in. You can kind of circle it around and then take it out. They don't actually look like balls. It's more like a semicircle. And then just do that to all of them. Put them on a stick, the kebab sticks. And yeah. That took for so long. It's kind of a mess too. But I finally finished all of them, and I put mint in between.
was good. It talked for a while because my mouth was filled, but that was really good.
I hope you like the food. Like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to see more of me. Bye!